This is a simplest equation. So can you solve it? So what number should we subtract 2 from to get 0? So obviously it's 2. But how can we solve it without guessing a value? Well, we need to move minus 2 to the right side of the equation and change it to the opposite sign. But we leave x untouched and keep it on the left side. And 0 plus 2 equals 2, so x equals 2. Alright, let's look at the following example. 2x minus 3 equals 5. First, we move minus 3 to the right side of the equation and change its sign to the opposite. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. And now we have 2x equals 8. This means that x is multiplied by 2. And what number do we need to multiply by 2 to get 8? We can find it by dividing 8 by 2, which equals 4. And therefore, x equals 4. Alright, let's check our answer. We had the equation 2x minus 3 equals 5. Since 2x means x multiplied by 2 and our value of x is 4, we substitute 4 for x. And 8 minus 3 equals 5. And 8 minus 3 is 5. And look, 5 equals 5. So our value of x is correct. The next example is 2 times open parenthesis x minus 2 close parenthesis equals 6. What number should we subtract 2 from and then multiply by 2 to get 6? First we need to open the brackets, and 2 in front of the brackets means we multiply everything inside the brackets by 2. So we get 2x minus 4 equals 6. Next we move minus 4 to the right side and change its sign to the opposite. 6 plus 4 is 10, so 2x equals 10. Now we divide 10 by 2, which equals 5. Therefore, x equals 5. And let's check our answer. First we substitute 5 for x. 5 minus 2 is 3. The 2 in front of the bracket means we multiply the value inside the brackets by 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. And since 6 equals 6, our value of x is correct. Next, we have the equation 3x plus 1 equals 5 plus 2x. First, we move plus 1 to the right side and change its sign to the opposite, which is negative. Then we move 2x to the left side, because it contains the variable x. Remember, terms with x stay on the left side of the equation. And constant number go to the right side. Okay, let's change the sign of 2x to the opposite. And we get 3x minus 2x equals 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. For 3x minus 2x we subtract the coefficient. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1x is just x. Therefore, x equals 4. Let's check the answer. We had the equation 3x plus 1 equals 5 plus 2x. The terms 3x and 2x mean 3 multiplied by x and 2 multiplied by x respectively. Now we'll substitute 4 for x. Let's check the left side first. In 3 times 4 plus 1, multiplication is done first. 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 plus 1 is 13. Now let's check the right side. In 5 plus 2 times 4, we again do the multiplication first. 2 times 4 is 8, and 5 plus 8 is 13. And look, 13 equals 13. So our answer is correct. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.